You can tell I'm not feeling well because my mustache is out of alignment. What do you do when you are a voiceover artist and you're congested? You're probably not going to be recording for clients because that wouldn't be good. But there is something you can do. You can try recording yourself with a few different styles and seeing how you sound with a congested voice. And notice the changes inside of your body when you're trying out these different styles. Here's me trying this low newscaster kind of style just to see what it sounds like all congested. And that's the way it's been on the 28th of May. You can get a pretty good idea of what things are sounding like if you understand waveforms. If you don't understand waveforms, that's what it looks like when you're congested. Here's me trying things differently, this time just being me. And that's the way it's been today on the 28th of May. And then once I've got everything recorded, I play it back and I go, that's where I sound like I don't have any bass resonance, or that's where it sounds like I don't have any articulation and I'm really smacked up. What does this apply to in a real life situation? If I have to go and do a recording, a multi-billion-dollar company, when I've done this kind of practicing, what it does is it gives me an opportunity to be prepared to work for these people if they come calling. When you're sick, it sucks. But when you're in business for yourself as a voiceover artist, there are some things that you can try out and make yourself useful to yourself. And maybe that's the best thing instead of, I don't know, watching reruns of soap operas or something. Anyway, have fun, get better, stay well.